Hey guys, Roger Rowe here. I am just getting back into some paid traffic over at Adwords, which I have not done for a very long time. Most of everything you'll probably see in this account is years old. Just haven't done it anymore. But we've got some YouTube videos that we're using to market a new service that we have, and I want to run some AdSense, some Google Display Network. Which is AdWords Display Network, but most of us call it Google AdSense, to run some traffic to those videos to promote this new service. And I was in here creating a couple of campaigns yesterday, and I ran across something that was really, really cool, and I thought you guys could use it because you're video marketers, and everybody likes to open up their nice videos with a background, that kind of a logo, so you can do a little branding or whatever. But I found this to be really cool because you can actually use the software in AdWords to create a dynamic logo in Flash that you can later just record with your screen capture software and have a dynamic opening to every one of your videos. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that right now. So the first thing you want to do is create a new campaign. Okay, so you've created a new campaign and you're going to name this campaign. And look, I have the steps right here. I'm going to give you these in a download. All you have to do is walk through them, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So you give your campaign a name, and then we want to go to ad groups in that campaign, and you're going to create a new ad group, which I have already done here. And this is really simple. You just go through and walk through these steps. You're going to give it an ad group name. We'll just go ahead and do it now. Ad group 3, we're going to make our default bid 50 cents, and we're going to scroll down, and we're going to use a different targeting method here. And what we want to do is use placements. Now what I've done, the reason I did this is we have a GSA backlinking service. So what I did was I came over to Google and did some searches, and I found some pages on the front page of the search engine results that are using AdSense. So I chose one of those, and this is a download link over at CNET. So I'm just going to go over here, and you can see that the ads right here, these are Google AdWords ads or AdSense ads, display network ads, if you will. So I want to try to get one of my banners right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just grab this. So you're getting a kind of a 2-for-1 little free tutorial here, because this is kind of a how to do very, very targeted Google Display Network ads, and you can actually do this now where you can choose a specific page just like this one that you want to use, and really hit your target market very well. So we're going to use a different targeting method. That method's going to be placements. We're just going to scroll down here and add multiple placements at once, and we're going to paste that in there and click add, and you can see it shows up right there for you. Now I got this idea, I wish I could say I got it alone, but I didn't. I got it from a friend of mine named Sean Schellenbarger, who has a great retargeting plugin that just came out called Retargeting Wiz, and he's the one that turned me on to this particular thing that I'm showing you right now. So thanks to Sean for that. We're gonna go ahead and uncheck that. We don't want to allow AdWords to find new customers because they always tend to find the most expensive customers. So we're just going to click save and continue, and we're going to create ads. And what we're going to do, that's going to bring you here. And what we want to do at this point is just skip ad creation. Alright, so we'll double check this. Alright, so we're going to skip ad creation. Then now we're in our ad group here. We're just going to click add, image ad, and here's where the real magic starts. Google has given you a way to, or they're giving you free software actually to create the banners that you need. I guess they got tired of looking at everybody's ugly banners. So we're just going to click out here, and it's going to load here, and what it's doing, it's gone to our site, and it's iframing our site right here. And we're going to create an ad, and it's going to scan your entire site. This is really, really cool stuff, especially for those of us who are graphically challenged. I can make graphics, but they're all ugly. They're really ugly. So that's why I thought this was cool. And as you can see, they create all these variations of ads. They're all dynamic. And the one that I like the most for this particular campaign that we're doing is this balanced design ad. And you can click here and see all variations. And they're just going to pop up here. And it's going to give you every banner size that you need. Okay, so we're just going to OK that, but we're going to do a little bit of editing on this. So here we've got in our headlines 14,000 backlinks for less than $3.88, and then we're going to say new link service first 100 customers gotta be able to spell and type. First 100 customers only. Then the price goes up. Okay, and all this is going to pop up right here. Okay, what we did, I uploaded this logo. You won't see a default logo here, but you can click to upload an image. And I just put this in here so it says services, so everybody will realize that I'm not actually selling search engine ranker, GSA search engine ranker. I'm selling a service that uses GSA search engine ranker to get you a lot of backlinks for your video marketing. So what we're going to do here, we're going to change the text in the learn more, and we're going to say get it now. Alright, and that's populated. So we're going to go down a little bit, and the display URL, we're going to change this so we're going to make it more readable. And that's Hangout Video Ranker.com, and then we have the landing page here, and that's it. We're going to click done. Alright, and if you want to see more, you can see more right here. They're going to give you a few more different looks, panoramic design, minimalist design, but we like this one. This is the one we've got selected. So what we're going to do is go up here and select preview all. Alright, it's going to load those up for you right here. Alright, they're all right here, and then we're going to save those. Alright, and then we're going to go back here. This is it. It's going to show up right here at the top. And we're going to view this full-size display. Okay, we've got all 13 variations in here, so that's 320 by 50, 160 by 600, and I am interested more in this one or this one. So we're going to view that full-size display ad, and they give you a link right here. So we're just going to copy that. We're going to bring it over here and put it in a new tab, and it's going to bring up all of your new logos. Okay, now you see they're animated, but just in the beginning. So what I did was, right now I'm recording the screen with Camtasia Studio. So what I did before I actually started recording this video is I started Camtasia and to record the screen. Then I chose to select a custom space on the screen that I wanted to record, and I came over here and highlighted this outline. If you have a screen cap, if you're a video marketer, you know how to do this with whatever software that you're using. But what I did was I outlined this banner, or this banner, whichever one you like, whichever one you want to use, and I left that there, and then refresh, and you see it coming back. So I scroll up before it appears, and I'm videoing this right now. So then you have a video of the dynamic aspects of the logo, and then you just stop that recording, then you render it, and you can use that as a dynamic opening, a dynamic logo branding opening for any video that you do. And it's free. Google gives you all this right inside AdWords. And I thought that would be a cool trick for you guys. And the only other thing that you're going to want to do after that is you're going to refresh the page and capture the dynamic content, render your screens, capture and save it. And bonus tip for you is now your advertising banners will match your sites. Okay, so wherever you're going to put these banners for your AdSense sites, your banner is going to automatically match your site because it was created from your site by Google software. And that creates a continuity in the mind of the visitor, and it helps them to know exactly where they are. If they see a blue banner, they click that banner, they go over to the website, and it matches the website. That's continuity, and that's good for conversions, and they'll remember that. It makes them feel comfortable, like they're in the right place. And that is my bonus tip for you on this cool thing that I just found out about yesterday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope you can use it to make lots of money with your video marketing. Thanks for taking the time to watch it.